Okay, welcome back to this tutorial in how to calibrate your lens for Lensfun. And last time I showed you how to take the pictures for vignetting correction. And this time I will show you how to generate the data. And I took 5 pictures last time and I have them here. And this is the script that I will use, and this is the tutorial I followed, and I downloaded the script here. Here is the script, and I installed all of this. And you don't need to do that because I already created VirtualBox for you with a prepared Ubuntu installation. So the only thing you need to do is start Ubuntu and go into downloads, and it's already here. Okay, let's start. So what to do first? Okay, to set up I need to run this one. And I am in this folder. Right click, open in terminal, paste and hit enter. And now I got 3 folders. And what more? Okay, we can read here. Put raw files to create distortion here. Chromatic aberration, raw files calculate vignetting here. Okay, this one is what I want. But before that, I need to create a file, lenses.conf. I can create it manually by typing this one, or I can run this script first. And to run that script, I need a raw file in this folder. Doesn't matter which raw file, but just you need the right camera and the right lens. That's all. Okay, let's copy this one. Back here, and terminal, right click, paste, hit enter, and it will take a few seconds. Here it is. Lensconf, or lenses.conf. Maker unknown. Okay, I used Canon mount, Canon EF, and crop factor. Actually, I do have this. Let's check. Canon 60. Crop factor 1.005. Anything else? Nothing right now. Okay. And save. And close. What's next? Check here. Okay. In this folder, I need to create a folder name inf. New folder named inf. Create. And I need to put all my raw files inside here. And they are here, and copy. Perfect. And going back here, and next was to run next script, this one. Copy it and paste. Hit enter. And this may take 1 minute. So if you want more exact vignetting correction, you will need to take more. Let's check. Yeah. So the first one was just to focus to infinity. But if I want more exact vignetting correction, I need to focus on 0.8 meter, 1.6 meter, 4.8 meter. But yeah, let's make it simple. I just need this one. Is it 1 minute yet? Oh, finished. Okay, I got this PDF. This is how it looks. Okay, we don't need to check that more. What's next? Okay, once you have created data, you can generate an XML file, okay? Copy. And run it. Enter. Generated. And here it is. Let's check. And here we have, okay, distortion was wrong because I just took whatever, just remove that one. But we do have the vignetting correction data. So what we need to do is copy this, copy, and depending on if you have Windows or Linux or anything else, your file, XML file, Lensfun file, may, yeah, you need to find it first, but I have it here. And here are all my calibration data. And I can just, okay, we see here it ends lens and begins with next lens. So I just do like this and paste. Perfect. Looks good. We can just check maker Canon, model Canon EF, model and mount Canon EF, and crop factor. Okay, that's it. Save. Now I have vignetting correction data for Lensfun. So thank you very much for watching this video.